In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make discounts on Sellfy. If you've ever wanted to boost your sales through promotions or reward your loyal customers, creating a coupon code is an excellent strategy. Whether you're looking to share a special offer through a YouTube video, an email list, or directly with selected customers, Sellfy makes it straightforward to set up these enticing discounts. So let's dive into how you can create a coupon code on Sellfy. First, you'll need to log in to your Sellfy account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and navigate to the Marketing section. There, you'll find an option labeled Coupons and Discounts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll see a button that says Add New Discount. Click on it, and from the options given, select Coupon. Now, let's set up your coupon. Start by entering a discount name. This is for your internal reference. Something like End of Summer Promo could work. It's basically a label for you to remember which promotion it relates to. Now comes the fun part, creating the coupon code itself. This is the unique code that your customers will enter during checkout to receive their discount. For instance, you might use something catchy and easy to remember, like Beatmaster20. Next, you need to choose the type of discount you want to offer. There are generally two options for this. You can go with a percentage, where you'd enter a number representing the percentage off, say 20 for 20% off. Or you can opt for an amount, where you designate a specific monetary value, like 10 for $10 off. Think carefully about which type best suits your promotion strategy and your customers' shopping habits. After selecting the discount type, you should set the validity of the coupon. This means deciding when the promotion starts and ends. Enter a start date and an end date to create a time frame for your campaign. If you prefer the discount to last indefinitely until you decide otherwise, you can leave the end date blank. You also have the option to set usage limits, though this is completely up to you. You can limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed in general, or how many times a single customer can use it. This can create urgency and exclusivity around your promotion. The next step is selecting which products the coupon applies to. You have the flexibility to choose one, multiple, or even all of your products. Just be cautious, especially with amount discounts, to ensure the discount does not exceed the product price. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your settings, click the Create Discount button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a coupon discount on Sellfy, ready to entice your customers and boost sales. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now well equipped to create your discounts creatively and effectively.